Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of conditional statement in Python. These statements are the foundation of decision making in your code, and mastering them is essential for every Python programmer. So let's get started. Conditional statements are also known as if statements are used to make decision making in your code based on the specific condition. In other words, they help your program to decide which path to take and which code to execute depending on the situation. For example, imagine you are building an app that will check if a user is old enough to watch certain movie. Then you can use conditional statement to determine if the user's age meet the minimum requirement and display appropriate message accordingly. In Python, we use if keyword to create a conditional statement, and here is a basic syntax. Here, the condition is a logical expression that evaluates either to true or false. If the condition is true, this indented block of code will execute, otherwise it will skip this. Let's see a simple example. Save this, and to execute this code, press F5. In this example, the condition check if the age is greater or equal to 18. Since the age is 18, the condition is true, and the message "you can vote" is printed. We can also use else statement, which will be executed if the condition is false, and the syntax will be. Now let's modify our code for the else statement. If the person is not 18-year-old, we can print and then if I change the age to 16, then it will print you can't vote, because when it compares 16 with 18, it checks is 16 is greater or equal to 18. No, the condition is false, and the else block of code is executed, which is you can't vote. Sometimes you might need to check multiple conditions in your code. That's where the else keyword comes in handy. Else means else if, and it allows you to test multiple conditions one after another. And here is a syntax. Let's see an example with a multiple condition. Suppose we are comparing the weather temperature, whether it is hot, cold or normal day. So write a code for that. Since the temperature is 20, here it check is 20 is greater than 25. No, the condition is false. It come to the else condition. So it check is 20 is lesser than 10. No, again the condition is false. And then the else block of code is executed. So it print it's a normal day. And that's it. Now you know how to use conditional statement in Python to make a decision in your code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Python tutorial. See you next time.